Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? Today's our video is Science and Art of Relevancy Tuning Calculator. First of all, we are open the Google Chrome and searching Science and Art Relevancy Tuning Calculator. That is show Science and Art Relevancy Tuning Calculator. We are open the site. That's are given to the Science and Art of Relevancy Tuning. Science and Art of Relevancy Tuning Calculator to Modi's Search Azim Hafiz Modi's Analytics Activity. Modi's needed to improve its customers' satisfaction with search, balancing their need for both the most relevant and most recent content. Learn how Modi's use search metrics and click signal data to mark from app. That's our activities and websites. Different websites are given. Again you show all as the websites Science and Art. Science and Art of Relevancy Tuning Calculator to Modi Search Azim Hafiz Modi's Analytics. Science and Art Relevancy Tuning Calculator to Modi September 2019 Azim Hafiz Software Acted Content Solution and keywords you read now. Thanks of all. Allah Hafiz.